Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today's video is all about short hair. This first haircut features this beautiful bob with the highlights. And then we move into a hair transformation. So this one is going to be of another bob. She ends up going quite short with this one. And the stylist does a great job with the framing of the face with the angled bangs. Now, I will say I liked her hair better straight versus with the curl, but I think that is a beautiful bob. And then we see this stunning pixie haircut. This does have beautiful kind of blonde color feature at the top, and then it is a little bit darker in the back. And then we see a similar kind of color on top, darker on the bottom portion of the hair pixie. This one features maroon color. And then we move into a color transformation. So she starts off with a blonde pixie and she decides to go pink. Love it, such a fun color, especially for this summer. How cute is that? And she is also rocking the different color variation with the color at the top and the back portion left the natural color of her hair. And then this pixie also features the same type of trend. It features silver grayish hair at the top and then black at the bottom. So then we move into a full color transformation. So she ended up getting a beautiful maroon color. And the stylist is cutting the hair into this gorgeous bob. And then we see a faded undercut pixie. This one features full bangs in the front portion of the hair. And then we move into the styling of this bob. So she's going to be doing a very slick back bob look with this one. Absolutely gorgeous. The slick back bob is very trendy right now. I love her slip dress that she is wearing with this as well. Gorgeous. So then we move into another hair transformation. So she had an afro and now she has a curly pixie cut. Then we see another longer pixie. And then we move into another hair transformation. So this one is going to feature more of that tapered cut with the defined curls at the top portion of the hair and sandy brown hair coloring. Alright you guys, so that's going to be it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to give it a like, subscribe, and I will see you next time.